You can see PhD colloquium and paper producing workshop, meet the journal editors, two academia industry discussion among the academicians and corporates. This conference program schedule, conference proceedings of the abstract and full paper have been published on the conference website. If you go to the conference website, you can get the full paper proceedings and abstract proceedings from there with the ISBN number, International Standard Book number. All full papers have been provided on a USB drive. Hard copies of program schedule, abstract proceedings are available in your conference kits. If you like to get it, you can search from your conference kit. Selected papers will be published with the prior modifications in various scopus in the journals, book chapters, in Taylor Francis and Springer Nature. In this conference, we have the academic partners from the International Business School, Manchester, UK, University of Malaya, University of Nottingham, Malaysia, University Texas Arlington, UTA, University Tun Abdul Razak, United Malaysia, Shinawatra University, Thailand, Political University of the Philippines. Adding more value to this conference, we have the organizational partners, including the Australia International Collaborative Research Organization, TIIKM Sri Lanka, BIOSPOA. We have the hospitality partner, the Westin, and knowledge partner, Bangladesh Brand Forum. We have foreign delegates from the more than 12 countries, including USA, UK, Australia, Malaysia, Canada, Thailand, Japan, India, Poland, UAE, and Oman. Furthermore, a significant number of the top-notch academicians like Vice Chancellor, Pro-Vice Chancellor, prominent industry practitioners like C levels, including the Chairman, Managing Director, CEO are participating in this conference. On behalf of the organizing committee, on behalf of the conference committees, I am grateful to have the support of key players in the local industry, particularly our platinum sponsors, Apex Footwear Limited and Guardian, and the Dhaka Bank. We are also thankful to our gold sponsor, New Asia, Abdul Monem Group, silver sponsor, Rohima Froze, ACI Motors, Avista FS Limited, supporting sponsors, Dutch Bangla Bank, and Matador. Some of the top management are from those sponsors already available in this conference. We are honored to get them in this August occasion.